Good afternoon. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, Pati, we can hear you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Cameras on. Good. Guys, raise the hand. How many of you? How many of you can hold headstand in any shape without the wall? Any shape without the wall, at least 5 seconds. Sahil, it's a yes or a no? Yes, can you hold headstand any shape 5 seconds at least? Leela, Deepika, Pragya, Urvashi.
With wall, without wall.
Without the wall, guys, at least 5 seconds without the wall. Who can? Keep your hands up so I can count. Pragya, Leela, please, both. Anu.
Headstand or handstand?
Headstand. Without the wall, at least 5 seconds. You can absolutely.
Yes, without the wall.
Pragya, Nidhi, Anu, can you hold?
Without wall, I can.
You can, without the wall. 5 seconds.
Okay.
Okay. So today we are doing flow. Yes, it means we are transitioning from one pose to another. Yes, those who, you can lower the hands, guys. Those who are, Vijaya, get off the headstand. Wait. I love the enthusiasm. Wait. I just wanted to ask. We will get there. We will flow from one pose to another. Yes. So we will do variations. Those who don't have the hold yet, we will try on the wall. Those who have hold, I will give more intermediate advanced variations away from the wall. Yeah. Super. Let's start with the prayer. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Pragya, Sonia, cameras on. Press the sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Inhale for Om. Exhale, release the hands. Open your eyes. Keep the knees together to touch. Sit on top of your heels. Fingertips to touch the floor either side. And we will start with head side to side. So here as if you want to touch the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right here, right shoulder. Pull and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the help of the hand, come back to center. Left ear, left shoulder. Pull and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back to center. And now we will look towards the right shoulder. Draw a semicircle. From shoulder to shoulder, look to the side. Slow movement. 1. Fingertips to the floor. 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Super. Now, we will bring chin up, lift, lengthen throat, exhale, chin to chest. 2, exhale. 3, exhale. 4, exhale. 5, exhale. Chin in, interlace the fingers behind your head, shoulders away from the ears, elbows as close as possible, and up from the pelvis round. Inhale up. Thank you. Exhale, 1. Inhale up. Yes? Let's go. Inhale. Exhale, 1. Inhale. Exhale, 2. Inhale. Exhale, 3. Inhale. Exhale, 4. Inhale. Exhale, 5, and we hold. 10, 9, down, 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 8, 7, 6, separate the scapula, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release. Guys, those who are coming late, please, first and last time, text on the group if you're coming late, but I'm in the middle of teaching the warm-up and I have to keep accepting people. It disrupts me as a teacher, you miss the warm-up, and it disrupts everyone else in class. I know things happen and la la la, but please no more than 5 minutes late for you and for me. Yeah? Now next. Watch me. We will bring the arms to the sides, 90 degrees. Yes? And now on the exhale, round, separate the scapula. Inhale. Exhale. Yes? 1. Exhale. 2. Imagine you want to crush a block in between. Exhale. 3. Exhale. 4. Exhale. 5. Exhale. Now, option 1, you will bring the elbows together. Option 2, you will bring elbow under the other elbow, bend. Opposite palms to touch. You will separate the scapula, pull the elbows forward. Or you will touch inside of the hands, pull, 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 and hold. 15 seconds and then other side. Yeah? Let's go. Any option, elbows together or cross, eagle arms. Gandhas arms. Inhale, hunch. Exhale, pull the elbow forward and hold. 10, eyes forward. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, open. Other side, bend the elbows. Exhale. And on the next inhale, pull the elbows more forward, eyes forward and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So keep pulling. 3, 4, 5, 6, and release. Very good. Shoulder rotations, big circles. 10 backwards and then 10 forward. In 3, 2, and 1. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Sahil, start. 6, spine straight, eyes forward. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Reverse. 10, 9, arms straight. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Let's go to tabletop position. Hands straight, arms straight, sorry, under the shoulders, knees under the hips. And where you have the hands, you will place forearms down. Now you will tuck the toes under, hands. Yes, so shoulder on top of the elbow. I bring the pelvis in, navel in, and I separate my scapula. Boom. And now knee to chest, back. Core exercise. Keep the pelvis low. Boom. Slow, slow. 1 minute, non-stop. Guys, it's a slow core exercise. These and the following. So, 1 rep at a time without rush. It's not about how many reps do we do, yeah? Let's go. Time is on in 3, 2, 1. Up, everyone. Guys, up, continue. The knees are not on the floor. The knees are suspended in the air. And then 1 knee to chest, back. Sahil, slowly, slowly. Forearms down. Copy the exercise correctly, guys. Forearms on the floor. Elbow under the shoulder. Hands the spine. It's not a plank. Don't go back to plank. Shakti, elbows in, under your shoulders. Yes. Come on, guys. Last 20 seconds. Keep going. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly coming down. Watch me. Next one. You will go the same back cross. Knee as if you want to touch opposite shoulder, yeah? Boom. Core compression. I fight with my forearms down to not swing like this, yeah? So the pelvis stays together and center. The feet also together. 1 and center. 2 and center. You will feel the core, guys. But you will feel it if you do small and slow. Yeah, don't boom, 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 boom. Don't go like this fast. Take it 1 rep at a time. Again, 1 minute. In 3, 2, everyone watch your elbows on the shoulders. 1, press, hunch, and round. Aishwarya, lower the knees, almost to touch the floor, but without touching. Super. Keep pressing forearms down. Lower the knees more, Lila. On the floor, no, a little bit above. Last 20 seconds, come on. $15 seconds left. Lower the knees more. Who is this? Aser? Is your name? Aser is your name? No. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anuba, is that you with the phone? Yeah? The name. I think your device is the name of your device, this, no? Let me rename you. Like this? Can you see, is this correct? Unmute, I
Yes.
can't.
Yes.
Yes?
Anubha, yeah.
Yes. Otherwise, I cannot correct you. Super, guys, watch me. Now, we will go dolphin pose dynamic. Dolphin pose. Yes, we start from tabletop. Again, elbows under the shoulders, press the forearms, stack toes under. Exhale, hips up. Inhale, touch lower the knees without the touch. So after pressing the knees in the air, so again core, press forearms, exhale. Down with control. Exhale. If this feels easy, you go one step inside with the knees up, and this will be more challenging for the core when you go, and more stretching on the legs, those who are reaching up. We want the hips up. So don't try to bring the hips to the floor. Heels up. Yeah? We are pressing the mat away with the forearms. Ready? Take position. 3, 2, 1. Exhale up. Sahil, start. 2. Exhale up. Keep pressing forearms. 3. Exhale up. 4. Exhale up. 5. Exhale up. 6. Exhale up. One more and we will hold it up. 7. Exhale up and hold 30 seconds. Press the forearms towards the mat, against the mat. Elbows inside knee, under your shoulders. Keep the elbows under shoulders, Deepika. Hips up, come on. Super. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come down. Take a moment. And watch me for the next. We will hold again dolphin pose. This time we will walk closer. Yes, so we take our forearms, press, lift. And now with the knees bent, if I feel tight hamstrings, meaning the back of your legs, or with the legs straight, but always heels up, sorry. The hips want to go up to the sky, as if someone's pulling you up. Yeah, and now I will walk with my tippy toes in and hold. Now, no chin, I'm collapsing down. I'm pressing and lifting. Yes, with the knees bent, same. But I don't want to see the hips low. Press the forearms, hips up, here, wherever you are. The closer you can walk, the better. But this takes time and repetition, so measure exactly a place that it's comfortable to hold, but not too comfortable. Something in between. Yeah? Everyone take position. Three, 2, 1. Press forearms. Exhale up. Start walking closer. Super. Eyes down. Forearms pressing. Time is on. Priyanka, hips up. Keep pressing forearms. Walk a little bit closer if you can. Bend the knees, Priyanka. Walk closer. Anupama Singh, stay. Sahil, stay. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, super. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, release. Very good. Now, we will go with the blocks for a shoulder opening. So you will take your blocks. Second setting. Yes, I will walk my hands to the front of the mat. The hands are shoulder distance. Tuck the toes under. Pelvis in. Do not do this inside. Core engage. And I will breathe forehead or nose. I'm not opening. I keep it in. 30-second hold. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, open down. Only shoulder and chest push down. Pelvis in, core engage. Time is on. 30 seconds. Elbows straight, pressing actively with your hands. Aishwarya, pelvis in. Press the hands, bring the pelvis in like in cat position. Sachni, pelvis in. Opposite of what you're doing with your pelvis, like cat. In. Yes, that movement. In. Sachni, pelvis in. In and hold it in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good. Now, we will hold the headstand on the floor. So, I repeat foundations just for those who need. Forearms down. I measure that my elbows are right under my shoulders. So I touch, I make sure. If this is not touching your opposite elbows, the hands are not touching opposite elbows, you need to go inside until it does. I interlace the fingers and place the pinky down, thumbs up. Bringing the crown of the head down, thumbs to pointing up, yes? The palm that is open is in. And now, I will press all this from the pinky finger to my elbow. All this surface, I will press against. Against means this. Yes? Now, I place the flat part of my head down. But the weight doesn't come here. Only little weight. Less than 10%. Yes, the rest comes by pressing the forearms against the mat. So this action is key. Now, I press forearms, bring the knees in. Tuck toes under, feet together. Lift the hips up. Heels up as well. And now I can bend the knees, walk closer till I feel the hip on top of my shoulders without collapsing here. So my forearms are pressing, shoulders away from the ears. I can go closer if I feel like, yes, with the knees bent as well. And we will hold 2 rounds, 15 seconds each. Then you will immediately do this. Don't come down from any headstand and then, hello, no, please. Don't do this, yeah? I'm being dramatic, but this is how some of you come out. And first of all, banging the head, oh my God. And second of all, you can get dizzy very quickly. And poor cervicals, no? Nothing here but suffering all the time, yeah? So let's be mindful with our neck. We only have one. Yes? And exit always from your headstand. Always child's pose, balasana. Yeah? Immediately. Super. Let's go. First round, 15 seconds. Ready? No phones in my class. 3, 2, 1. And we go. Up, 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 up. Time is on 15 seconds. Press forearms. Very little to no weight. Don't lift up. Don't lift up, guys. Feel the pose as it is. No one is lifting up. No, no, no. Ice warrior. Vijaya, no lifting, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is down directly, child's pose. Keep your forehead down, arms forward, or bring the arms back. Sahil, Balasana, child's pose. Head down, move slow, mindful. Now we go round 2, guys. Absolutely no one is lifting the floor. Don't lift. We will have time, I assure you. Stay on the floor. Yeah? 15 more seconds. Your goal is to keep grounding and pressing. Forearms against the floor. Forearms against the floor, like a mantra. Your drishti, which is where your eyes go, not your head. Your eyes go forward. So right down the nose when you're looking at the floor. Don't look too far, don't look too close. A little bit beyond your nose. Let's go. Round 2, 20 seconds. Time is on. Up, 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 Leela, Urvashi, Nidhi. Walk as close as you can, guys. 20 seconds hold. Without lifting, without moving. We focus only on pressing forearms down, lifting hips up. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Super. Child's pose. Every time we come down from 1 rep of headstand, we go child's pose 10, 15 seconds. Let's go. Next one. Watch me. We will open your straddle 90 degrees. Heels down, knees up. You will bring the hands and slide. You will hold here or with the legs straight, pull it down. Yes, if the hands are reaching forward, but I'm like this, no stretch on the legs. I press the sitting bones down, bend the knees, open the pelvis. See, this is the pelvis like that position. This is the pelvis open. So here I'm very good. I can go forearms, I can go straight arms forward with the knees bent. Then if I feel comfortable, I lower down. And then those who feel super comfortable, one block under each heel and you go fully flat down. Yeah? 1 minute hold. We want to, guys, open the pelvis and forward bend. Yeah? Ready? 3, 2, and 1. We start. Super. Keep opening the pelvis. Ice warrior, press the heels down. Try to open the pelvis. Don't go so far. A little bit closer with your hands. Yes. Super. Shakti, same. Bend the knees. Walk the hands a little bit away and open pelvis. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale slowly. Come back to center. Next. With the blocks, I will open with the blocks, no, with one block. I will open the same my straddle. Yes. Press the hands, hunch back. This is not an easy exercise, but it's very useful for lifting the legs, for press, yes, to help us strengthen the hip flexors, which is the muscle, one of the muscles that attaches upper to lower body, and it helps us lift the leg effortless. Yes, so with the legs fully straight, everyone, heel down, toes up, super important. You will bring the hands on top of the block, press and hunch. Yes, on the exhale, I bring the pelvis in, navel in, chest in. Press the hands. Try to lift. Now I'm not throwing my legs up with the strength. This lifting feels light. Yes, so I want to press, exhale as I try to lift. It's a combination of two actions. Keeping the legs engaged is essential, but then your core and your pressing have to work together. So, core compression. Boom. 1. Boom. 2. 2 rounds, 5 reps. Yes, on the 5th rep, we will hold 15 seconds each round. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and we start. Block on the low setting. 1, to my count. 2, control the way down. Yes. 3, 4, 5. Press, hunch, lift, and hold. 15 seconds, everyone. Up, 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 up. It's tough, I know. Up, up, up. Try. Keep pressing. Hunching, pelvis in, core engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Control and release. No one banging like this. Yeah? Boom and to the floor. We don't want this sound that boom, boom, boom. We want like a feather landing. Soft, control, fume, 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 like this. Yeah? So now again, 5 more reps, guys. I know quads are burning. So a little bit of tapping and we are ready to go next side. Yeah? Even if nothing is lifting, guys, try. This is not an easy drill and it's not a beginner drill, but it's a necessary drill. I repeat, it's not beginner. So if you feel nothing is lifting, don't worry. In the beginning, nothing lift for me as well. I assure you, it took me a lot of time. Then the teacher lift, lift, lift. And me, I'm trying my best. And I couldn't. Yeah? It's part of the process because you are trying to activate and send all these signals to the body. The body is not keeping up. But keep thinking about it. Okay, pelvis in. Okay, core engage. Okay, core compression. And most importantly, the legs have to be sharp. If they are bent, there's nothing to hold them up. Yeah? Let's go 5 more reps. 15-second hold on the 5th rep. Everyone ready? Take position, Sahil. Everyone, come on. Don't open your straddle fully. You will make your life complicated. 90 degrees only. Yeah? 3, 2, 1. Press and hunch. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Super. 5 and hold. 15 seconds. Keep contracting your core. Keep pressing the hands away. Against the mat, against the mat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Very good. Now, We will go up the wall for a hold. Yes? So, we are going arm distance apart. Yes? I bring the forearms down. Interlace fingers, press the crown of my head. Lift the hips up like we did before in the dolphin pose. Press the forearms down and try to bring the feet up. Now, of course, if I don't press the forearms and hunch, and I don't engage my core, nothing will lift. Yeah, because as soon as I do this, I will collapse. So I need my core engaged. Press the foot against the wall. Press the foot against the wall. And try to walk up. Now, if this is easy, you will go closer to the wall. Yes? So, you measure arm distance and you go to your closest. Hips up. Slowly, slowly. Go into your straight line. Yes? Here. Those who can easily hold, you will find your straight line away from the wall. 30 seconds, 2 rounds. Yes? To come down slowly. Bring the knees down. Pose mandatory for everyone. Yeah? Now, those who are starting the headstand journey, I'm not expecting, and you should not expect 30-second hold. What I want you to focus on is technique. Am I pressing my forearms? Is the weight in my forearms? I can continue holding more seconds with the wall. Is the weight starting to come here? If I can fix it by pressing forearms down, cool, I can continue. If the weight starts to come here, calmly we come down, child's pose, and then we try again. Yeah, but don't push through the weight coming here because it's not solving anything for you. And then when the weight comes here, it starts to feel pressure in the cervicals. And this is when we get some headaches after. So we are not interested in that. Like what? Why for? No? It's better 5 quality seconds, 2 quality seconds than 30 seconds of bad posture. And then you're creating a bad habit. I'm warning now because when we're up, it's easy to get carried away and want to try to hold our best. It's just human nature, but we need to be mindful. We only have one neck. Yeah, we want it healthy. Yeah? Super. 30 seconds, child's pose, and then 30 seconds. Yeah? Ready? 3, 2, prepare. 1, and up. Sahil, walk your legs up. Yes. Yes, Miru, try to release the other leg. Squeeze the glutes. Press forearms, core engage. Richa, same. If you can release, squeeze the glutes, Richa. Hip extension. Yes, Shiva. Shakti, try to extend the legs. Anupama, yes. Super, Anupama. Nidhi, are you away from the wall? I can't see your legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Child's pose, everyone. It's just first round. No one gets disencouraged. Guys, this is a lot of reps that we have to go through. So we take it with open mind. Let's see what happens. Playfulness. Yeah, being upside down is fun. But for us to have more fun, we need to control the technique and have good foundations. Yeah, then you can do whatever upside down. Legs can go any direction. Anything is possible. Yeah? Sector, yes, Shakti? And
I can do a half without wall, but I'm not able to go up. So what should
first, one leg up, you release one leg at a time. So keep walking the wall both feet and walk all the way up. Yes? Like until your hip, it will be straight, but then the legs will be like diagonal towards the wall. You release one leg, squeezing the glutes, trying to come to the straight position. And then core engagement will bring you the other leg. Don't try to jump against the wall. Yeah, engage the core and the other leg will automatically come to you.
Okay.
But the rest has to be solid, the forearms pressing down. Yeah?
Okay.
Otherwise, keep the toes on the wall, light as you can. So most of the weight on the forearms, still beneficial. You're still building this endurance. Yeah?
Yeah. Okay. Thank
Are we good to go next one? Yes? Watch me. We did 2 rounds already. Watch me. I'm showing you the next. Now, we will go for straddle. Yes, those who are new to straddle. Straddle with it on the floor. Yes, this one. Now we will do on the wall, those who need the wall. And again, we will do 2 rounds. Arm distance. Forearms down. You come up. Walk, walk, walk. Now, one step. Don't go like this. The hips, they need to be on top of your shoulders. Now, you see my feet are touching fully. My forearms are pressing. So my weight is 50-50. Do I feel comfortable? I release the heels. Do I feel comfortable? I place the nails. Most of the weight is on my forearms now. I feel comfortable. I open my straddle and I hold. Now the pelvis cannot open. See what happens. I will lose my weight, my balance. The pelvis here is in. Core engage. Yeah, not this. After, when you have control, you can play. Right? But in the beginning, we need the pelvis in. Leg on the side, not out. Yeah? Because once the pelvis open, what happens? Core opens. Yeah? Super. Remember, guys, we need to keep the hips on top of shoulders. Otherwise, there's no headstand. Yeah, so the hips cannot go towards the wall. They need to remain. The legs go, not the hips. So core to keep us nice and straight. 2 rounds, 30 seconds. Those who don't need the wall, you can lift from the floor. Jump to straddle or press to straddle. Ready?
Ma'am,
Yes?
I'm doing this first time. So I left my practice before 1 year because of injury. So I did today, you told me about the same technique and I achieved this.
Yes?
So this is my
Super.
first time. Thank you.
Super.
I do, but that was the support with palms. So
Very
going
good,
to
huh?
tripod pose and then head and stand. So with
Huh?
the arm balance. Now I'm doing this first time.
But it's happening now.
Yeah, it's happening.
Yeah,
It's
so you need to be very
thank you.
proud, huh?
Thank
Yes?
you.
Now, guys, everyone up the wall. Straddle position. Feet on the wall. Toes, nails, or release the wall. Those who are going from down, you jump into straddle or you go into press. Super. Nidhi, one step down with the toes. Priyanka Nupama, very good. Shiva, yes. Sahil, hips a little bit more on top of shoulders, yes. Open the legs more. Richa, yes. Miru, yes. Anuva, yes. Urvashi, Lila. Aishwarya, yes. Sonia, yes. Kengam, you are not in the straddle, but good balance. Let's go down. Sajid was good as well. Super, guys. Everyone, child's pose. Child's pose first, then we chit chat. Child's pose. Sahil, child's pose. Sahil, child's pose.
This side is
Yes, Sachni.
not happening at all.
This side, what do you mean? The straddle position.
Normally we are spine towards the wall.
Ah, but the spine towards the wall, we have the pelvis that touches the wall. Now it's against the wall. Sorry, belly towards the wall. So we have to put extra effort. Yes? It's
I'm not
okay.
getting
Now
it.
it's you have both experiences, no? Spine towards the wall and now away from the wall. So now you see the gap between one and the other. What you have to work on. Yes? Because now you have to really, really engage the core. There's no wall behind. So now you will fight more to keep the core engaged, which is also a good thing. Yeah? Super. Round 2. Those who are almost releasing the wall, try. Press more the forearms, separate a bit more the legs so they can release. They can release this teeny tiny. What is the camera? This teeny tiny. Yeah, little bit. And then you have the wall back. Don't push the wall to release it. Just separate a little bit your toes. See what happens. 1 2 seconds, come back. Yeah, it's a game of trusting 1 second at a time almost. Because it's scary. Yeah? If you are not ready to release, maybe if you were placing the foot, now you will place only the toes. If you are placing the toes, you will place the nails. And if you are away from the wall, jump into straddle, yes. Those who know, they know already, yes, because we have many levels here. So those who can, don't try, guys. Those who are not there, it's not the class to try jumping or press. Yeah, this is just for those who are a little bit more advanced in the journey. So either you bend the knees, jump into straddle, yes, or you press into straddle. Yeah. 30 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Everyone up. Yes, Kengam Sonia. Nidhi, you are a bit far from the wall. 1 step inside. Anupama, yes. Almost releasing Anupama. Shiva, yes. Vijaya, yes. Priyanka, yes. Lila, straddle, straddle. The legs are going back. Anu, very good. Yes, Miru, lower a little bit the legs. Richa, a little bit lower the legs. Rest is good. Balance is good. Vijaya, lower a bit the legs. Balance is good. 5, 4, 3. Urvashi, yes. 2, 1. Leela, you are holding the straight line. We were going for straddle. But then see what happens. Your pelvis is opening. Did you notice? Leela? Did you notice your pelvis is opening? We want the opposite. Your pelvis is doing this. Pelvis is doing like cat position. Pelvis is doing this. Yeah, upside down. Let me try to recreate what you're doing so that you can see. Yes, you were going up and then somehow you open the pelvis and balance here. Squeeze the glutes hip extension. Yeah? Now, watch me, guys. We will try to put together a flow, yes? For those who go into the wall, we will start easy. Straight line, straddle. Straight line, straddle. Yes? So, we go a little bit inside. Yes? So it's not fully arm distance, it's a little bit more. Forearms down. Walk, walk, walk. And I go into the straight line, untag the toes. This is toes tucked under, this is untag. Press and go here. Straddle, straight line. Straddle, straight line. Yes? Those who can go a little bit closer to the wall, it will look more straight, your straight line. Yes, squeeze the glutes, straddle. Squeeze the glutes, straight line. 1, 2. I'm fed attached on the wall. Less weight on the wall. If all my weight is here, I can't move. And also this, we don't want to do this, please. Yes? Now those who are comfortable away from the wall, You can enter any which way you want. You want to single leg press. You want to pike press. Yes? Sorry. You want to pike press, enter. Any way to enter the straight line. Straddle. You touch. If you can, you will, sorry, you touch down if you can, you will go in the air. If you have the pike. If you have single leg, opposite leg to come up. Down, touch. You can walk, and again, one leg up, open, down, touch, opposite leg up, open, sorry guys, and down. Yeah? Let's try. Everyone may know then what to do. Different variations for different levels. Yeah? Let's go, guys. We have 6 minutes to play around. Everyone trying with the wall, without the wall. Now, today is not the day to try to press or do anything like that. Only if you know it, you will do that. Otherwise, you're going to waste your minutes. Anupama, closer to the wall. Sahil also, closer to the wall. Yes, Urvashi. Anupama, careful. The pelvis is leaning towards the wall on the straddle. Keep on top of shoulders. Core. Yes, Shiva. Vijaya, yes, but no touching the wall. Move slower, Vijaya. You have all the elements. Just move slow. Sonia, yes. Kingam, yes. Open. Straddle. Control, yes. Try to pike down. Lower the legs. As if you want to touch the floor. Down. Kingam, this is up. Down. Yes. Try to touch the toes down. Walk into straight line. Aishwarya, don't push the wall to try to release because you can get too much impulse and fall. Okay, we try to release by engaging the core and pressing forearms down. Sachni, from straight line to straddle. Miru, yes, keep squeezing the glutes, reach your straight line. More up. More. So imagine this is your straight line. Here. Your legs are going here. So you think here is my front arm, you think here is your straight line. You need this much, like a 20% more. Guys, take a rest, process, and then we go again. Those who are doing it without the wall, yes, don't go close to the wall, guys, because it gives you the false sense of security. Try to flow away completely, that you have to do maximum control. There's no wall to save you. You already have the control and the strength. That's why you're choosing away from the wall. Because everyone who chooses away from the wall, they are controlling. But some of you are close to the wall. Yes? Take that second step to try away in the middle of the room. It will challenge your fear, of course. But we have to challenge one practice at a time. Yeah? Otherwise, we are going to hug the fear and not let go. We will want to bye-bye fear. Yeah? Second round. Yes, Priyanka. Everyone else start second round. Priyanka, yes.
Patty, I can do one variation. I'll show you. I can do it without the wall.
Yes, sure. I'm watching. Nidhi, that's a good try for press. Come on. Place the blocks under your toes, Nidhi. I think with the blocks you can unlock the press. You are there already. Guys, second round. Don't watch me. We all love the chit chat, but if we chit chat, we don't practice. We have 2 minutes. I have another class. Let's go, guys. Chop, chop, chop to the wall. Away from the wall. Everyone. Priyanka, I'm watching. Anupama, much better this alignment. Hips, hips on top of shoulders. Shakti, try walking up the wall. Richa, go closer to the wall. There's no space for you to slide because you're too far. The moment you try to slide, you can't. Leela, much better that pelvis. Core, close the rib cage, Leela. Anu, yes. Super. Squeeze the glutes, Anu, hip extension. Nidhi, you have to press the forearms and lean maximum weight on top of your forearms. So the hips go maximum. Yeah, one thing that you can try is to, what you are doing, bend one knee to the chest, compression, other knee to the chest. You will lift and then extend the legs to the sides. It's challenging but doable. Last minute. Yes, Pragya, press, forearms down, lean the hip forward, going to tippy toes, nails, core engage. Yes, Nidhi, come on. Yes, almost, you're almost releasing. Core compression, core compression, core compression. Yes, that one. You're super close, Nidhi. Super, guys. Richa, yes. Squeeze the glutes. Sahil, good. Open straddle, Sahil. Open straddle. Slowly. You're good. Continue. Yes, Miru.
So when I go up, I feel like I'm almost there, but then suddenly it's overbalanced.
Yes. So what
So how
happens?
do I know?
Through practice. But what happens usually is that the glutes forget to engage and then the legs reach beyond the shoulder in overbalance.
Actually, my leg is bending at the knee. So
The
otherwise
leg is
it's
bending
safe.
at the knee.
Yeah, and I'm trying to feel safe.
So pelvis in like in cat position, hip extension. Even if the knees are a little bit bent, if they are engaged, the legs, it's all good.
Okay.
Yeah, but we need maximum hip extension. If the hip starts to bend, the legs are always in perpendicular line, never straight.
Okay.
And
Can I
also
check
sometimes
once
we are
and
lifting, we feel that's the straight line, but actually we are here. We are not here.
can you check and tell if I'm reaching there? Because I feel like I am, but
Send me a video because I have literally 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6 class. Back to back. So we have to do the prayer. Yes? Everyone, if you have any question, send me a text. If you want to send me a flow video, send me the flow video. As soon as I finish my multiple classes today, I will reach out as many of you as possible. Yeah? Thank you. Let's do the prayer. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale. Reach the arms up. Turn the hands. Exhale. Bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to feel the heart beating for you, keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive, that you're living this life through a human experience, and the uniqueness that it comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish with one Om, 3 Shantis together. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Wrap the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of the hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Blink the eyes open. Allow the light to enter your through your eyes. Light the palms on your face. Your beautiful smile. Namaste. Thank you, guys. Super. Yes.
Thank you.
Any questions? Send it to me later. Yes, I really would love to
Thank
do
you so
that.
much.
But today I don't have the time yet. Thank you so much. And I'll see you 7 to 8, those who are coming later. Yes. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.